Hello and welcome to my channel Learn with Upasana. Today's topic of the video is file management. This concept not only important in your computer world but also your daily life, that is management of objects. Before discuss the concept, let us know about what is management. Management is the act of arranging, handling and placing the object in a proper order so that they are easily traceable, reachable as and when we required. Let's take an example for our day-to-day life, like your cupboard. Your mother keeps every item distributed and organized in every shelf of your cupboard. She keeps your uniform, your school related articles, your daily wear clothes, your party wear clothes, your toys in different shelves so that these items are easily reached. What would happen if your mother does not manage or organize your cupboard? You would be not able to find out your item quickly and would waste your time in searching. So the management playing very important role in our daily life and in our computer world too. In previous slides we have discussed about the management. Now what is file? File is a collection of information in the form of pictures, documents, videos, movies and etc. So file management is the way of organizing different files in the computer so that to make searching of a file easily and quickly. Now icons. Each file is given a graphical symbol. It is known as icon. Look at your screen. This is your desktop screen. There are many icons showing different applications. So by these icons you can recognize what type of file or what type of document it is. Now the importance of saving a file. One of the most important factor of file management is saving a file. If a file is saved, it can be opened or used number of times. It can be modified multiple times. The meaning of modified is that you can recreate, you can reopen, you can edit the content, you can rename your file. Whatever you want to do with your file, you can do it. Now there are two components of saving process. First is location of file. It is the area where the file is saved. It is also called the path of file. Most important component of saving process is file name. It is a name given to your file to identify it while you will searching. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon.